Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Watch Dogs game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the aim assist settings for your controller inside this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Watch Dogs game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing, if you wish to change the aim assist settings for your controller, then simply pause the game by pressing the escape button or the start button on your controller. Then just navigate into options. Then from the options page, go into gameplay. And now you will see the controller aim assist option. By default, this is set to medium or default. You can lower this if you wish by choosing minimal, or you can increase this by choosing strong. After making your change, make sure to click on apply, and then you can go back into your game to play with your aim assist settings. You can increase or lower this in the future once again by following the same steps, going into options, gameplay, and then choosing your controller aim assist level. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your aim assist settings on the Watch Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.